Everyone, I'm Catherine, and as I was growing up, I watched those closest to me struggle with their overwhelming stress, anxiety, and desire to self-harm. Even more so as schools started to transition to online learning in 2020, it felt as though our schools were abandoning their students when they needed them the most, when they were experiencing extreme isolation and mental strain. And I was observing that there were students like me in other high schools within my school district who wanted to make a change, but didn't really connect with each other yet. So with my friend Hannah, we co-founded the Student Wellness, Education, and Resources Committee, or the SWEAR Committee. SWEAR is a student-led mental health advocacy group within the San Diego Unified School District, which is also the second largest school district in the state of California. And we created this committee to connect youth advocates together and empower the youth voice, and also bridge the gap between school campuses, but also between students and leaders within our school district. And the way SWEAR works is we provide two representative positions to all high schools within San Diego Unified, and at their individual high school campuses, they organize their schools and create mental health clubs. And then the representatives also meet twice a month as a committee to share their efforts and their initiatives with other school campuses, and also organize together to be a coalition and a leading force to champion student mental health within the district. And we advocate for many different policies in favor of students. So some of those being excused mental health absences, creating what I wish my parents knew forms for the district, and implementing youth mental health first aid training for teachers within San Diego Unified. SWEAR's biggest achievement, though, is our mental health curriculum. So our founders believed that integrating mental health and wellness within the everyday curriculum was necessary to providing students with the life skills and the resources they needed to lead happy, healthy, and productive lives. So with the help of the student board member, Zachary Patterson, former president of the board, Richard Barrera, and our former superintendent, Cindy Martin, who is now the Deputy Secretary of Education for the Biden administration, we unanimously passed a resolution to implement comprehensive and research-based mental health curriculum in all secondary high schools within the San Diego Unified School District. And in the summer following the passing of the resolution, I helped design the curriculum along with some other students from SWEAR, district employees who have experience in writing curriculum, and experts in the mental health field from organizations such as the JED Foundation, UC San Diego, and Rady Children's Hospital. And we created a whole curriculum with lesson plans that lasted about 15 to 30 minutes long, focusing on 5 topics, which are 1, wellness education, which focus on internal coping; 2, mental health education. So what is mental health and why is it important? 3, recognizing early signs that precede mental illness. 4, mental health resources, so knowing when and how to seek help. And 5, allyship and leadership. So that's advocating for others and building trusted relationships with those you care about and with trusted adults. And now the curriculum is set to be implemented in middle and high schools within the school district in the fall of 2020. But the biggest challenges that SWEAR has been facing is actually with the implementation of the curriculum that we designed. So since moving from the design to the implementation phase, the curriculum has been slow to actually be taught within high schools and middle schools within our district. And it seems as though on the district side with their employees that there's been a lack of a follow-through, communication, and recognition towards SWEAR and our work. And this is really discouraging to see because SWEAR was founded to empower the youth voice. And even though we've been organized for 2 school years already, the struggles and the lack of support that we're feeling still continues, even so. So SWEAR has created 3 action items and demands that we ask for from the school district. Those being communicate existing mental health resources, represent student advocacy groups at the district level, and implement calendarized mental health minimum days into the school schedule. So at SWEAR, we believe that the students who compose our committee are the most dedicated, passionate, and driven mental health champions and youth leaders within the city of San Diego, and we remain committed to empowering their voices. So moving forward, we hope that the SWEAR committee can serve as a model for other communities and how youth can organize and fight for the causes that they believe in, particularly mental health. And I hope that this was helpful to you and other youth across the nation, and that Swear can help in your advocacy. So thank you.